Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to post videos on RedNote. If you want to share a video on RedNote, the process is simple and only takes a few minutes. So to get started, you need to open the RedNote app. Make sure you have signed in already. And you need to select create icon in the bottom. There's this plus icon, select that. And this will open a small menu. You need to choose from the album. And you need to choose the video. And from here you can choose the video that you want to post. And select next in the bottom. And after selecting your video, you can edit it by trimming on the bottom. You can add text or stickers, and after you're done editing, you can select next. Now you can add a caption describing your video, and you can also include relevant hashtag by simply select the hashtag topic. And after everything is ready, you need to tap post in the top right and wait a few minutes. And after the upload is complete, your video will appear on your profile. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.